Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and make sure to watch the video on my homepage to learn more. So anyways, the Euro dollar did make a pretty decent little move down today. We definitely did turn at the appropriate level for this to be a wave A and for this to be a wave B, like I mentioned this morning, either a running or an expanding. If it really is a running, then it potentially could go down and make a higher low compared to the wave A for the wave C and then keep going up. Or possibly it could be like more of an expanding and go down and make a lower low wave C for the expanding ABC. Definitely did turn at the appropriate level. I would just be a little bit concerned that it's a wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and it might go back up one more time, retest these highs before it really does turn. Plus, we are definitely still in a very strong uptrend. So this is comes back to when you're in a very strong uptrend on the really high time frames, you go down to the shorter time frames and come up for a reason to go short for like a wave C. But in reality, because all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, it sometimes just keeps on going up. So definitely be aware of the higher time frame uptrend. Definitely looks like it should go down, make either a running or an expanding, but higher time frame is very strong to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.